Step inside and take a breath, because what you're about to experience isn't just a house. It's a statement of timeless power, modern precision, and architectural confidence. This $60 million modern classic mansion rises quietly yet boldly, where glass meets stone, where symmetry meets drama, and where every single detail has been designed to impress without ever needing to shout. From the very first moment you arrive, the atmosphere changes. The driveway stretches wide and clean, framed by manicured greenery and subtle lighting that guides you toward the entrance like a private gallery opening just for you. The façade blends classic proportions with modern materials, natural stone anchoring the structure, while a soaring glass tower slices upward through the center, hinting at the vertical drama waiting inside. As the front doors open, you're welcomed into a grand double-height foyer that instantly commands attention. Light pours in from above through floor-to-ceiling glass, cascading down polished marble floors that reflect the architecture like a mirror. This space feels ceremonial, almost regal, yet undeniably modern. Straight ahead, the grand staircase becomes the heart of the home, curving upward with effortless elegance. Crafted from sculpted stone and warm wood, with a glass balustrade that seems to float, it's not just a way to move between floors, it's a piece of functional art. Above it, a custom chandelier descends like a constellation, catching light at every angle and shifting mood from day to night. To one side, the formal living room opens seamlessly, designed for moments that matter. Plush seating is arranged with intention, centered around a modern fireplace clad in textured stone that stretches from floor to ceiling. Tall windows frame the exterior gardens like living paintings, allowing natural light to soften the space during the day and city or landscape lights to glow softly at night. This is a room made for conversation, for hosting, for quiet power rather than loud luxury. Every material feels deliberate, from the subtle grain of the wood panels to the gentle contrast of neutral fabrics layered for depth. Moving deeper into the mansion, the spaces begin to unfold with an almost cinematic rhythm. The formal dining room stands ready for unforgettable evenings, anchored by a statement table that comfortably seats a large gathering. Above it, a sculptural light installation hovers, creating intimacy without closing in the space. Glass walls allow views through to the gardens and water features outside, blurring the boundary between interior and exterior. Here, meals become experiences, and gatherings turn into memories. The kitchen is where modern luxury truly shines. This is not just a kitchen, it's a professional-grade culinary space wrapped in elegance. Sleek cabinetry with a soft matte finish contrasts beautifully with stone countertops that feel as solid as they look refined. A massive island takes center stage, perfect for casual breakfasts or late-night conversations while meals are prepared. Integrated appliances disappear seamlessly into the design, while subtle lighting under cabinets and within shelving adds warmth and depth. Adjacent to the kitchen, a secondary prep kitchen ensures that entertaining remains effortless, keeping the main space pristine at all times. Nearby, the family lounge offers a more relaxed atmosphere without sacrificing sophistication. Comfortable seating, warm textures, and carefully curated artwork make this a space designed for everyday living. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass doors open directly to the outdoor terrace, allowing fresh air and natural light to flood the room. When opened fully, the boundary between inside and outside vanishes, transforming the entire area into one expansive living environment. Step outside and the mansion reveals another layer of its luxury. The outdoor terrace stretches wide, featuring multiple seating zones, a dining area, and a sleek infinity edge pool that reflects the architecture like glass. Water gently spills over the edge, creating a calming soundtrack that complements the environment. Sun loungers line the pool, perfectly positioned for both privacy and views. Whether hosting a daytime gathering or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, this outdoor space feels like a private resort designed exclusively for you. Back inside, the glass tower becomes the vertical spine of the home. As you ascend the grand staircase or glide upward in the private elevator, the changing perspectives reveal how thoughtfully the mansion has been designed. Each level offers new views, new light angles, and new experiences. The upper floors house private living spaces that balance openness with intimacy. The primary suite is nothing short of extraordinary. Entering this space feels like stepping into a luxury hotel designed for one permanent guest. The bedroom is expansive yet calming, with soft tones, layered textures, and panoramic views framed by floor-to-ceiling glass. A private seating area invites quiet mornings and reflective evenings, while automated curtains adjust effortlessly with the touch of a button. The sense of scale is impressive, but it's the attention to comfort that truly defines the room. The ensuite bathroom elevates everyday routines into rituals. Marble surfaces extend seamlessly across floors and walls, creating a spa-like atmosphere that feels both indulgent and serene. A freestanding soaking tub sits perfectly positioned near the windows, offering views that transform a simple bath into a moment of escape. Dual vanities, custom lighting, and a walk-in rain shower complete the experience, while heated floors add a layer of comfort that never goes unnoticed. A custom walk-in wardrobe connects directly to the suite, designed with boutique-level precision. Glass-fronted cabinets, soft interior lighting, and perfectly organized shelving turn clothing and accessories into a visual display. Every element has been considered to make daily life feel effortless and refined. Additional bedrooms throughout the mansion maintain the same standard of luxury, each with its own ensuite bathroom and carefully curated design. These spaces are generous, private, and welcoming, ensuring that guests and family members experience the same level of comfort and elegance as the primary suite. The mansion also offers dedicated spaces for work and leisure. A private home office combines productivity with inspiration, featuring built-in shelving, warm wood finishes, and views that encourage focus without feeling isolated. For entertainment, the home theater delivers a cinematic experience with plush seating, acoustic paneling, and state-of-the-art audiovisual technology, turning movie nights into events. Fitness and wellness are seamlessly integrated into the lifestyle here. A fully equipped gym overlooks the gardens, allowing natural light to energize workouts, while a private spa area with sauna and steam room offers relaxation on demand. This is a home designed not just to impress, but to support a balanced, elevated way of living. As you move through the mansion, technology quietly enhances every experience. Smart home systems control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment with effortless precision. Everything responds intuitively, allowing the architecture and design to remain the stars of the show while technology works invisibly in the background. As the day transitions into evening, the mansion transforms once again. Architectural lighting highlights clean lines and classic proportions, while the glass tower glows like a beacon of modern elegance. Reflections shimmer across water features, and interior spaces take on a warmer, more intimate character. This home doesn't just look beautiful, it feels alive, adapting to every moment and mood. Standing here, it becomes clear that this $60 million modern classic mansion is more than a display of wealth. It's a carefully composed environment where timeless design meets contemporary living, where grandeur and comfort coexist without compromise. Every space tells a story of craftsmanship, vision, and restraint, proving that true luxury isn't about excess, it's about intention. This is a place where mornings begin with light pouring through glass, where afternoons flow effortlessly between indoors and out, and where evenings are wrapped in quiet sophistication. A home designed not just to be admired, but to be lived in, experienced, and remembered. And once you've stepped inside, it's impossible not to imagine what life could feel like when every single detail has already been perfected.